Hi everybody, Slavomir Ridek here from Positive Sim Racing. Today I would like to show you a very interesting and I hope useful tool in setuping a car. I called it Setuping History. As you can see, it's an Excel sheet and it shows you all the history of all the changes you just put in this sheet. So let's start. In the beginning, I would like to say that it's still work in progress. So different bugs, things, strange things can occur. But if you don't know how to solve a problem, just send me or Horatio a message, because actually Horatio has created this sheet, but it was our common idea and I was helping him in developing this. Okay, so let's start. First of all, now I have already done it, but it always asks you to run macros. This is important. We have to switch on macros. Okay, and then as you can see, we have a lot of different settings here. If I'm not mistaken, it's from ASI Formula Masters mode for Factor 2. And we have three main rows. Row number 4, test row. Row number 6, current. And row number 9, history. And it's good when we first start working with a car. It's good to have the same values in row 6 and in row 9. This is important. Okay, as you can see, in row 4 we have a lot of yellow horizontal arrows, which means that value in row 4 is the same as a value in the same column in row 6. So for instance, if I check this value, let's say like this, we have a red arrow right now, which means that a value in row 4 is lower than a value in row 6. The same if we put higher value, we have green arrow. Okay, so how does it work? Well, it's very easy actually. Maybe slightly more difficult in the beginning, but after a while it's very easy. We decided to change a setting in our car. Let's say brake pressure from 90 to 95. And we go on a track, we do a couple of laps, and we are happy with the result. We improved our time, so we want this 95% brake pressure to be in our current setup. So we click make current, and as you can see, the value here changed from 90 to 95, and again arrow in test row is again yellow, which means we have the same values. Okay, I forgot to mention we can change only in row 4 type of tire compound. We have all the tire compounds here. Okay, and we have our current setup with new value 95%, and we want to save it. We click save, and now we are prompted to put a time. And this is very important. It's written here how it should look like, but I will tell you 1 minute 01 and now colon, not a dot, a colon. This is very important. Then seconds and then thousands of seconds, and we click OK, and a new row appears. The name of the row is current date and time, and as you can see the value we changed is violet, which means that this value is different from a value from the previous row. So let's now change two things at the same time. Let's say rear ring to 10 and preload to 25, for instance. Okay, we have two green arrows, and we go on the track, and we like this. Again, we improved the time, so we again click make current. Again, all the values from row 4 go to row 6, and again we click save. And again we put our time 1 minute 12 8 for instance, and we click OK. Oh, something wrong again. 01 colon 12 dot 800. We click OK. Okay. So again, a new row appeared, and as you can see, now we have two cells are violet, which means that these two values were changed and are different than values from the previous row. So actually that's all. You can of course give a commentary to any cell by right clicking on it's in Polish, but it's very easy, like put a commentary or something. We can write here whatever we want. And now red triangle appeared, and when we hover mouse over this cell, our commentary will pop up. So yeah, and actually that's all. And in the future we want to put another information, other values, but as I said, it's still work in progress, so we don't have too much time for developing this. But I think it's good, especially if a driver has a race engineer, and this I think it's very useful tool for a race engineer. Here in README you have also short instructions how to use this, and you can add new columns, new names, new values, etc., etc. But I think that Formula ASI uses, I think, almost all the values which are changeable in settings in a setup. So of course you can create another one with values which are available in a particular car, because not all the cars have the same values, but I think because creating and adding these arrows, it's not like one click and that's all. You have to do a couple of things, but I think I will put another video with a short tutorial how to do this. So yeah, actually that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I I explained you everything clear, and yeah, let's hope it help people being faster and more consistent. Take care and bye.